Hi guys, we are going to talk about ChatGPT. You must have seen a lot of videos about its capabilities and I'm also mighty impressed. But today we are going to see and evaluate if we can use it to generate content which can be used in production. And when I say production, I mean if it is, let's say, sales copy, can we use it in our campaigns? If it is ad copy, or if we are using it to create ebook. And you must have seen those videos where people talk about how you can use it to make so much money every month just by creating content using it. And a lot of those videos talk about sales copy, writing ebooks. So today I was just trying to evaluate if we can use it to write ebooks. So let's say I asked it to write a ebook on digital marketing. As expected, it created an outline. We can use them to create chapters around it. So I asked this to write a chapter on the introductory chapter on digital marketing. And it came up with this. I mean, honestly, I don't think you can write an entire chapter with this text. It is too short. Of course, we might um, ask it, counter questions, or we can engage it to create more content. But when I put this content in the Grammarly to check for the plagiarism, you can see that there are serious issues around it. There are issues around spelling, there are issues around conciseness. So, this is not something which is ready to be used. Now, of course, you could argue that this is just a starting point. We can further fine tune it to make it our own. But that's the point I want to highlight, that though it is really good, but you cannot use ChatGPT to create content which is ready to be used on your website, in your ebooks, or sales copy. It could be a good starting point, especially if you are very new. But anybody who claims that in its current shape and form, it is going to replace professional copywriters, then I don't think that's going to happen very soon. It will take some time, maybe in 5 years, it could be there. But again, I doubt, because AI will always depend on the existing knowledge base instead of coming up with something entirely new. And I think we as human are still more creative and innovative than any other AI on planet Earth, which is a good news for us. But if you feel otherwise, if you think that we can use it to write production ready content, please leave your comments and share the examples with us. Thank you.